Hello, everybody. Welcome to HCKT TV. My name's Mark, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Please, if you like the content, subscribe and leave a comment. This channel will have ginseng hunting. It will have news, what's going on around Harlan, and also the surrounding areas of Harlan. We do council meetings for Everett's, and a lot of stuff just happens here. We also take requests from people who lived in the area and have moved away and would like to see what the area looks like now. So sit back, enjoy yourself, get your popcorn out, and enjoy HCKT TV. Make sure you give us a subscription if we've earned it. Thank you. Hey, get on back up to the yard. Hey, how you doing, buddy? You all right? Don't kick me. You gonna mow my grass for me? Hey. Look what's wandered into my yard. Come here, buddy. Can I pet you? You want me to pet you? You keep backing away from me. Let me pet you. What's he doing? You won't let me come close to you. You'll go on up the holler. This and let me pet it, but you all come, they run. I was out here taking pictures, petting that blanket. You all come, they both took off.